Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Mulyani binti Muhammad Effendi and I am representing my group KMJ from Kolej Matrikulasi Johor to represent our innovation project, which are Simple Illumination System for Microscope, SISForM. As we know, microscopes are widely used in science laboratories, especially for biology subjects. However, due to maintenance cost constraints as well as the cost of buying a new microscope, the 19-year-old microscope had to be used by the students. This is very worrisome because of the worry of a short circuit and the bulb becoming dim. This will cause the picture of the specimen seen by the students are not the same as the real image. We chose to build this innovation because it can save the cost of replacing the microscope, can strengthen the teaching and learning process because it has the appropriate tools and can ensure the teaching process becomes more organized and systematic. The objectives of SISForms are to replace the dim orange light bulbs with brighter white LED lights so that the microscope experiment teaching and learning process can run more smoothly. Not only that, it is also to provide an alternative lighting circuit system that is easy and cheap to maintain. The issues faced by the researchers is in terms of old and outdated tools for students to use. Not only that, the lighting circuit system using yellow bulbs is also not suitable for experimental learning. Replacement tools such as the blue light filter lens have been replaced with other unsuitable replacement tools. And the most important issue is in terms of the high cost of replacing a whole microscope. Therefore, researchers have built an innovation tool to overcome the problem called SISForM. SISForM is an alternative to change the orange light commonly used in microscope to LED light. The strategy used for this innovation is to use a damaged microscope and modify the electronic system of the lighting circuit to get an image with a white background. From this strategy, there is no additional cost for the use of damaged microscope. Only the cost for the tools to build the lighting circuit is required. Materials used are COB LED, potentiometer, electronic wire cable, 2-pin micro USB female, and connecting wire. With the components provided, the overall method of building SISForm starts by emptying the microscope components until rebuilding the circuit of SISForm back in the same microscope. Hence, there are 4 main steps of constructing SISForm lighting circuit system, which starts by circuit construction, testing the circuit efficiency, followed by emptying the microscope cases, and ends with inserting the SISForm circuit back into the microscope cases. SISForm are practical to use to smoothen the teaching and learning process in laboratories because not only it is cost saving, but most importantly, it can produce wide image of specimen with clearer view. Here are the differences of cost between SISForm and maintenance costs from a foreign agency. Clearly, we can see that SISForm are far more economically friendly. The significance of SISForm is that it have two mode of use, which are by using direct electricity and also battery. So with this, the microscope can be used and be carried anywhere and anytime needed. SISForm have received a certificate from MyIPO, and because of its many benefits to users, SISForms are in the process of being commercialized and distributed to schools around Tangkak, Johor.
Okey, kini kita bersama dengan saudara Hafiz. Dia telah menggunakan sistem yang lama dan juga pencahayaan mikroskop lama yang telah dinaik taraf menggunakan SISForm, ya, penggunaan cahaya lampu LED. Jadi saudara Hafiz, mana satu pilihan anda?
Pada pendapat saya akan memilih mikroskop yang menggunakan teknologi SISForm kerana lampu dia lebih cerah, jadi lebih senang untuk memperhatikan sesuatu dan tidak terlalu sakit mata untuk melihat. Terima kasih.
SISForm have entered a national innovation competition this year 2022 held by Bahagian Matrikulasi Kementerian Pendidikan. So it can be concluded that SISForm is an innovated microscope lighting circuit that costs less, simple, and effective in helping students to get a better and clearer view of the specimen they are observing during an experiment. It is planned in the future that SISForm circuit will be added with a USB slot so that students that brings an external power bank can use the microscope even when they are short of electricity in the laboratories. Besides that, it is hoped that SISForm circuit will be distributed to other matriculation colleges and schools in Malaysia.